Welcome to the Bitcoin short. Alright guys, so Bitcoin today with a lot of volatility here on the lower time frames, as you can see, just going up and down, lot of volatility. We are kind of still holding this 4 hour range uptrend, okay? On the 1 hour we broke that, but it's not broken on the 4, as you can see. On the 1 hour we have the confirmation of the break, okay? But on the 4, not yet, okay? We already broke that 1 hour range trend, as you can see. We broke that yesterday, and we backtest that like 3 or 4 times here. It wasn't able to stay above, so we probably don't need this trend anymore, but we kind of um, have that backtest really important. It is really trying to break down the 4. As you can see, we have one deep dive here, okay? I was almost sure we are going to a little bit higher than this, but it just went up 2% after that um, try of break, okay? So we hold the polarity here, I believe, on a 1 hour. We had that break level. We might be creating polarity. I'm not really sure this 5 was the level that holds the price here. I rather think that the 1 hour did it, okay? And I was kind of optimist about this level for a long position. I didn't enter anything here. I was really trying to, well, not trying, but waiting for this level. It didn't. So, bro, if we come down here, well, we can still have that a lot of volatility. It's coming to the market, right? But we are really already trying to break the trend. The only option here is to create from that range trend on a 4 is to create a daily trend here, okay guys? We might create a daily range trend here. It's not created yet, but as you can see on the 4, we have the creation, the continuation, and we can say that we already have the confirmation, okay? So this trend might be a good option for the future. Not yet, guys, okay? So I'm gonna delete that just for you guys to know. Okay, and if we go to the daily, we have the daily resistance candle here, right? We need to go above that. I also have that as the 4. Let me see. Okay, for resistance, it's the daily that we need to break up for a possible support, okay? So we are still in this range for now, at least for now. We don't have a confirmation of the breakdown, okay? And we still have some levels here on the downside that we can hold, okay? We still have that 4 hour untested candle. I don't like that, but you can still hold, okay? We can still adapt that trend in the future. Oh, sorry. In the future to something like this, okay? If we hold that. I'm not really sure about that level, guys. It's the last support on the 4. We might just deep dive that level, come down to this 4 hour range trend from the past, okay? And to that range on a 1 hour that was not tested, okay? So I have this also this line here, the red line here. It's just a level. It's the middle of the point of this week and the week on the 4, okay? So we also have that 5, I believe, is untested candle. Let me check that. I did that yesterday on the video. Okay, that is a 5 minute that hold the price 2 times and the price just goes up after that, okay? So before that, or in this case after that range, okay? Because I really don't want to go to that 4 hour. Oh, come on, trading. So that is just a possibility of a new range creation, okay? We go to that 5, we hold it, okay? And we still have the ladder from this range candle, okay? So yeah, Bitcoin kind of bullish after that breakdown, but we still have some levels on the top that can hold the price down, okay? we have this big polarity that was created at this moment. Okay, the price comes here, comes down really fast, and even goes 1.8% down, and not coming back that there again. Okay, so we have something on the 15, I believe. Let me just check. No, that's the 4 hour that we needed to break yesterday. Now we need to break that to turn this as a support, okay? And kind of right now we also need to stay above the 4, okay? Because we really tried to break it down, okay? So we really need to start closing some 1 hour green candles, in this case the white, above that 4 uptrend. Okay, guys. So these are my predictions for Bitcoin. If we hold the trend, we might attack the top here. I'm not really sure this 4 hour is going to hold. We are probably going to test that downtrend again on the 1 hour, that range trend, or even higher, that 4. Okay. But honestly, if we go to that 4 and we don't see a big rejection on these levels, we are probably going to break up. Okay. But for now, we are on this range, still trying to hold that 4 hour range trend. Thank you so much, and see you guys tomorrow.